In hospitality, guest satisfaction is critical to monitor as it can impact revenue, customer loyalty, and reviews that drive new customers. By using an analytics-driven approach to understand, measure, and improve the guest experience, hotels can quickly mitigate issues and make necessary changes to ensure the highest level of guest satisfaction. By staying informed, you can ensure a positive and enjoyable stay for your guests, which ultimately leads to increased customer loyalty and positive word of mouth. Let's see how we can use analytics to find potential areas of improvement and ensure we are making necessary changes as quickly as possible to maintain high guest satisfaction. From our executive dashboard, we see our guest satisfaction score and net income are declining. A specific city is lagging with guest satisfaction compared to all other hotels, and our decline in guest satisfaction started in June. This change is also beginning to affect our net income, so it's critical to find root cause and implement changes quickly to mitigate any further impact. With the built-in machine learning, we can see both actual and forecasted values based on our historical data and how all these values are impacted by other points of interest. If we filter to Oxford, we see the forecast expects a large jump in October, but net income drops sharply again in November. Let's dive into that region further and do some research. Here we can review the impacts to guest satisfaction by the hotel, amenities, seasonality, and room type. We can see that Hotel 3 has the lowest rate. With a simple click, we can dive immediately into that hotel and see that guests staying in suites in the off-peak season have the lowest scores. When drilling into off-peak suites, we see that restaurant and bar is driving this low rating. We should check to ensure that all amenities are being offered equally in both peak and off-peak seasons in this hotel. Guest reviews are also a great way to track the voice of your customers, but filtering through endless text can be tedious. By searching for words in your dataset, you can easily filter down to the rows that meet those criteria. By using narrative visualizations, you can understand the context of your data via natural language. This is all great, but imagine using machine learning and advanced analytics to quickly go from a very long list of text to a high-level summary of the results. By analyzing sentiment and counting the frequency of words used in a review, you can summarize guest comments so they are actionable. Oracle Analytics Cloud provides easy-to-use drag-and-drop options so you can quickly get to the insights you need. These out-of-the-box capabilities allow you to run machine learning models or determine sentiment of your reviews. Just point to your data, add the sentiment option, and choose your field to be analyzed. You can quickly leverage that data in your analysis and understand if there are any correlations between negative reviews and the aspects of your hotel, such as room types or amenities. Now, we see that many of our guests are commenting on the cleanliness of the hotel. We currently contract with a third-party vendor to clean our facilities. Let's see who our current contractor is. We can see in our timeline that in June we changed over to a new company. This aligns with the timeline of when our guest satisfaction started dropping. The current vendor is rated as being the lowest cost, but the impacts to our guest satisfaction can have severe impacts to our net income if we lose customers. Now that we understand what could be causing our low ratings, we can start taking action. We've seen how using embedded no-code AI and machine learning, we can accelerate our understanding of customer reviews. With our analytics platform, you can detect, investigate, and act on guest satisfaction problems quickly. By using a unified data and analytics platform, you can bring all your data together and ensure you have full view of your hospitality business.